Hello once again and welcome to Trader KE, your simple and easy to understand tutorials hub for crypto, forex and stocks. In today's video, we'll go over the basics of crypto. It is important to understand an asset before you trade it. The presentation will be very simple. Don't expect any crypto jargon. The goal is to make a complex concept to be simple and easy to understand. Without wasting time, let's get into it. These are the topics we'll cover today. Number one, the basics of crypto, the technological benefits, economical benefits, and political benefits. Let's get into the introduction. Cryptocurrencies are digital currencies. They don't exist in a physical form. And also, they're not governed by government. For example, the USD is governed by the US government. The Kenya shillings is under the Central Bank of Kenya. Blockchain is a database or a record which everyone can access and verify ownership of these digital currencies. I want you to think of crypto as mobile money. For example, M-Pesa or a PayPal balance, but without central authorities. Let's move on. Now into the technological benefits. Number one, transparency. For example, when you send a transaction, everyone can see the transaction. We can access the first ever Bitcoin transaction on the Bitcoin blockchain. Number two, verifiable. You don't have to rely on a third party to tell you whether a transaction was successful or not. You can do this by yourself. Permissionless. You don't need permission. You don't have to provide your ID. You don't have to provide your details in order to create an account. Everyone can create a Bitcoin address and transact. Security. Using the blockchain, we're able to secure these assets because everyone has a record. You cannot tamper with the blockchain. If you do that, all the transactions become invalid. Moving on to economical benefits. Number one, crypto is an investment tool. As you can see, it has been rising ever since. I'm talking about Bitcoin. So if you bought Bitcoin right now, it would be a millionaire. That is in dollar terms. Another thing is we use it for money remittance. If you want to send money from maybe Kenya to the United States, it's very hard. But if you're using crypto, it can take you about 10 minutes. Another thing is inclusion. As I've said, you don't need permission to create an account, to create a Bitcoin address and transact. Everyone can do it. The other thing is that there have been a lot of institutional interest into the crypto world. We have companies such as MicroStrategy buying billions of dollars in Bitcoin. And this is a new wave that's coming. The other thing is decentralized finance, of which you can access saving, lending, borrowing, all on the blockchain. Into the political benefits, we have number one, financial freedom. If the governments control the banks and the banks control your money, you're not financially free. Crypto is now being regarded as digital gold, that is a safe haven asset. You can hedge against inflation. This is the constant rising of prices of goods and services by using crypto. It's also a means of demonstrating, and you can see an example from Nigeria. A lot of donations have been made using crypto. Now to end our video today, I would like to urge you to kindly like, subscribe, and share for more content like this. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.